Disney launches Story Living by Disney to develop residential communities. You guys want to live the Disney life? You want the vacation to never end? You live in the Disney atmosphere. Mo, you're laughing, but I think you'd thrive in this type of
You're right.
environment.
Maybe I would, but it seems exhausting to be just that happy. It just seems like
You dress as a prince every day.
yeah.
Disney plans to introduce Story Living by Disney, vibrant new neighborhoods that are infused with our special brand of magic. Each community will feature distinctively designed spaces, unique amenities, and Disney's brand of world-renowned service. These master plan communities are intended to inspire residents to foster new friendships, pursue their interests, and write the next exciting chapter in their lives, all while enjoying the attention to detail, unique amenities, and special touches that are Disney hallmarks. Mo's getting interested now. See, you're thinking about it and you're like, you go into a community, who's looking after stuff? You know, the park, it looks like trash over in the corner.
Yeah.
Somebody's kicking.
Not in the Disney
Somebody's
community.
kicking the bench, or whatever it might be. I mean, it's definitely not this magical. Look at the public spaces you're interacting, Mo. You have amenities. You know, there's light shows and fireworks.
Oh well, this seems fun, but is that what they're saying?
Oh, that's what they're saying, Mo.
No, I don't think that's
What they're saying. No, I mean, listen, it's not going to be to the extent of the actual theme park, but it's like a toned down version of it that keeps the magic going. But it does. Here, let me just say this to you. Let me say something to you, Mo. Isn't it strange how sterile communities are?
What do you mean?
Like you go into a typical subdivision, it's so nondescript.
Oh yeah, like cookie cutter.
Well, it has there's no personality, there's no agenda. It's not
like themed,
creative or artistic in any way.
Yeah.
Like, for the record, I'm sure if every community was this Disney community, it'd be like, kill me now.
Yeah.
Right? It'd be terrifying. It'd be like all these robotic type of
cast members.
Yes, and you don't want the cast members walking around. I mean, look at this. This guy's all done up, and this is where the community's going to go. Look,
He's your butler?
He's in the desert. He's in the desert, figured out this community. No,
2 buttons undone.
it's somewhat terrifying, but I'm just saying, why can't your community be fun? Why can't it have some of these elements? Look, they're going to do a man-made lake in the middle.
Yeah.
You can go down there. You can walk down there, Mo, with your beach towel.
How much is real estate going to be, though?
Did they say the starting price?
I'm imagining that's gonna be high.
No, they're not saying. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to pay, dude, and you're gonna keep paying like a condo fee.
Right.
You're gonna pay, and you're gonna keep
Like
paying.
a gated community.
You're gonna
type
pay.
thing.
You're gonna keep paying.
Definitely club memberships all around.
Yeah, we're gonna have club memberships. It's kind of like retirement, one of those retirement setups.
That's what I think.
Well, you
It'll be more retirement.
Well, it says right there at each location, including some that are only for residents 55 plus. But so they'll do both, obviously. You can see the picture there. There's a kid like picking apples. Imagine there's a little apple orchard right down, or maybe they're tomatoes. It doesn't matter. You're in the Disney community. You have it all. By the way, that development I think is going in California, but let's just be sure here. I think it's actually near Coachella, so you've been here before. Go up, scroll up. It says the location much earlier in the thing.
A little bit higher.
Right there. Rancho Mirage, California's Coachella Valley.
Okay.
Location where Walt Disney himself owned a home and would spend leisure time with his family. Additional locations in the U.S. are under exploration for future development. What do you think, guys? 100 years from now, we're all living in Disney's planned story living the story of your own life inside. I mean, I don't know, man. Maybe it's better than the metaverse.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. There's an audience for
Okay,
that.
here's your choice right now before we go to the next story. You either get Zuckerberg's metaverse, rest of your life, locked and loaded, or you get Disney.
Yeah, Disney, dude.
Okay.
Locked and loaded. I can't leave. I'm
baby.
Disney. All right.
Oh, baby.